checkup. It's going to be an exciting one. Of course, this is the first time after, or actually mid-term restoration. So the truck is in paint, but the most challenging thing will be the shaved doors. Because in the Netherlands you're actually not allowed to have, or to not have, door handles. So shaved doors aren't really allowed. But then again, the way to open the doors is what I stole, or the idea I got from TVR or from Spijker, it's a Dutch supercar manufacturer, and that's with a push button. So I press a button on the outside of the truck and the door pops open. So without any special tools or skills, you can open the door. The only thing you need to know is where is the button. So yeah, I already did a small pre-check at this APK station, and they said, well, it's probably no issue. So yeah, fingers crossed, and hopefully it will work out fine. So small update probably during the APK and definitely after. Stay tuned for the next shot. That was unfortunate. That was APK fail, MOT fail. And why? The rear right brake cylinder leaks, which is stupid because I replaced that last year for a brand new one. So I don't know why, but I have to replace that probably again, which isn't that much work, but it is additional work, which is annoying. And the other thing is that the sills, they are rusted out, although they are not load bearing because it's a cap on frame. That's a fail too. That means that I have to replace the seals, or the sills, and the cap corners. I already ordered those, but it's a lot of work, so I'm gonna have a body shop do that, but it's quite expensive, so I'm really not looking forward to do that, but yeah, it is necessary. So okay. And another fail was yeah, one of the previous owners, they cut the steering stops off. So full lock on the steering makes the wheels, or actually the tires, touch the frame, which isn't necessarily a problem, but it's not allowed. So I have to correct that. So to make sure that the wheels don't steer as much as they currently can. But other than that, everything is fine. Emissions are fine. The doors are fine. Lighting is okay. So yeah, I consider it a win. Only thing really not looking forward is spend the money on repairing the bodywork. But yeah, I knew that was coming, and it's something that just has to happen. Of course, it also looks damn ugly. You can see here how it looks like. It's not good. I already cut some metal away to show the guys what they have to work with. But yeah, so that's the small update for now. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Take care, bye bye.